Uh, Ikpumkpu. Ikpumkpu. Cover. Ighe. Ighe. Nwukasi. Ighe. Nwukasi. Ighe. 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 Then Nwukasi. Nwukasi. And Ighe Nwukasi are skin rashes. They are Ighe Nwukasi. Skin rashes. Disease. On the skin. On the body. On the hand. But they happen on the outer part of the skin and on the legs, and sometimes at the back of the legs and the laps. You see like rashes, different kind of rashes there just appear. I've been following this. I said, when I see this happening to some people, I say, does it mean they don't shower or what? Then I begin to look at them from different angle, deep thinking, prayer and meditation. I say, okay, I've seen adults, I've seen young adults, but what of the little children? I've seen little children and twins. And when I was in my country, I've seen twins, little children going through such thing. Their body, their skin, the back of their legs, rashes, different kind of rashes. Now, so different kind of rashes, irritating. But they stay with their parents, and their parents shower them morning and night. So I said to myself, this is different, and they are different from showering or no showering. Later on, I begin to pray. Then in dream, I saw a woman. Now, little children were playing in the dream, and some were twins. And this woman was standing there. If you look at this woman, you can't describe, you will be unable to describe who she is. She looks like a giant, but she's a woman standing there, looking at the children playing. In that dream, I was there, but she was not seeing me. I was standing behind, watching her and watching the children. Then she was looking at the children. The children were playing. Then next thing, the woman looked up on the left side, left top, on the left side, left top, this way. Look way, this way, on the left top. And look into the sky and say, and call, Angelica. She called Angelica, looking at this way. Then next thing she did, she looked at the children this way. And next thing she said in Igbo, Eyifum awolo kagwo. Eyifum awolo kagwo. That means Eyifum means to take off. Awolo means like to take off garment, garment clothing. Kagwo, like agwo means snake in Igbo. She said Eyifum awolo kagwo. That means she takes off her garment like a snake. You know the snake, I heard that some snakes, when they start getting old, They start taking off their shell, their body part, to get more younger. I don't know. That was what she said. Next thing I look at the children, all the children laying on the floor, and the twins. Then I look at them, all of them, their bodies, their legs, filled with rashes. Nwukasi everywhere on their body, rashes. She was happy. Next thing she left. That's witchcraft against the innocent. Then later on, moving forward, I start seeing this happening to so many children. Even here in the United States, sometimes I see children going through stuff. You see them rashes all over their body. Their parents continue to buy some medicine, some kind of cream to apply on their body. Going to doctors, going to hospital, doctor's office. The solution must be two: physical and spiritual. Do your physical, then let me do my spiritual part now. All these foundations, they are thrones of kings and queens, negativities, causing skin rashes against the innocent, against the children. Nwukasi, both they are male and female, they are base, physical and spiritual, to destroy and turn all of them upside down. I use all animals, roosters, sens, 33 bitter colors, male dog, nketa, male dogs, obagun, Otinku chicken, 4 he goats, baby's powders, cosmetic soap, tissue napkins, both their physical and spiritual sight and hearing, and their evil eye. Destroy and turn all of them upside down. I destroy them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west, and to block them where they might struggle to rise again. I use all animals, roosters, sens, 33 bitter colors, Ebo Ngene, green, blocking, Chuku and Ndotuya, was all colors blocking, uncountable rabbits, biophysical and spiritual giant walls, block all of them. I block them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. And I said to them, rise no more. And to cover them, the foundation, both physical and spiritual, causing skin rashes, Nwukasi, to cover all of them. I use Oke and Adidi chicken, Obolocha and Oboloji, white and black chicks, 33 bitter colors, 33 uncooked eggs, Ibu Nkata Aja basket ritual. Capture all of them, bring them down. Use trash bags, Abafifia, plastic bags, Abawakele, black blanket, cover all of them, Akwoji, cover all of them. Chain, tie, blind, block, bury, cover all of them in the north and the south, in the east and in the west, and banish all of them in the north and the south, in the east and in the west. And the ones already, like a garment, cosper, they cast on the innocent, causing Nwukasi, rashes, skin rashes on the body, on the skin, to take them off and cast them out. I use all animals, roosters, sens, frogs, goats, agama lizards, owls, grasshoppers, orange, sugar, pepper soup, 33 uncooked eggs, 33 bitter colors. Cast all of them out in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west, and take them off. Prayer stand up on all land, all ocean, all airspace, sun, moon, all universe, all planets, stars, galaxies, cosmos, solar system, infinity's orbit. Stand up in all family, generation, ancestries, based in USA NATO science and technologies. Transfer to all good countries, good families, generation, ancestries, friends and well-wishers and supporters that love the United States. Transfer to them. We use water, boil eggs, drinks, all that goes into the body that are good, to welcome this prayer, their energies, their power, authorities, manifestation, healing, and free from skin rashes, Nwukasi. are moving us forward. Transfer to all hospitals worldwide. Transfer to Serenity Recuperative Care. Transfer to police, sheriff, CIA, Secret Service, FBI, military, Navy, Marines, Coast Guard, Border Patrol, Custom, Immigration. Transfer to all security. Transfer to Ally Universal Security. Transfer to all for free. Transfer to LA County. Transfer to Carson City. Transfer to Californian government. Transfer to all states in USA. Transfer to all legislation, executive, judicial in USA. So Maribi, he say, Sanko FM, Chiefpriest, Peter, Odira, Nkwuaku, in Los Angeles, California, USA. Chiefpriest what? Chiefpriest USA. USA. I am Lord of sea and sky. I have heard my people cry. Whom shall I send? Here I am, Lord. If you guide me, if you lead your people in my hands.